Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how you can work with the company section, and by the end you will have all the insights you need to see the usage of company in the Bitrix24. So grab a seat, hit that like button and let's get started. So for creating the company, you just need to click on the create in the CRM company section. Here you will able to add all the relevant information about your company, that is the name of the company, owner of the company, contact number, details and everything. So when you add that information and save that information, you will be able to see your company's information in this format. So once this information is done, when you click outside of that company, by clicking on these three lines, you will be able to see like edit this company, copy, delete and the relevant actions you will be able to perform for this particular company. When you select the company, one particular company or two or more companies, in the top right corner we have the option of performing actions for this particular entities, that is the changing responsible person, merging company and other option. So you will be able to perform these actions also for this particular companies or bulk of the company. So this is how you can work with the company section. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.